Hakasngi baka perthai ka rakhi ka World Music Day. Ki khun jong i Dr. Hamar Babiang Karluki bam kwai hadwar ublei kila plat pat ba ka folklore music video ka balai kerteng ko Lapalang. Ka ba uni Dr. ula Thoh yakni ka jingrwai Naduh kisnam khat khandai spa prapo AA. Yakni ka folklore music video ka bala pinbit pinbiang da uba el dhar bad uba elmer arwar uba deiru ukhun balai jong ni unong Thoh pat balarwa yaka daka Samla viralin ameda khong sit harengkat bad uba herlambok war bad Samla dawan prang langsti Lapalang pat ba adu MP ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky A.J. Sengkon haka jinga dan lang UCEM ka KHADC ba Shambor lang renja kumju usembut kongsan. Hakani kasnil don lang ru uba lambon Karluki UMLA barem kamlim uba deru uhmen jong Dr. HB Karluki kum ukongsan kerpang lembat kiwe ki kenram ki lendan bat kinong syakot ngobha. Hakani kasnil ai ngobha ru yakani ka folklore music video syaki katuk ani ki Shlampuli jong kanong ba kiba kentup Naduh ka Department of Khasi jong ka school ba NEHU ka folklore department NEHU lembat ki college ki school bat ki museum jong kanong ba naga benta bakin pendon kam haki jing ai jing hikai yaki Samla puli bat kum juru ban pene pensa yaki khanatang jong ki men barem lembat yala ka lariti ka jongi u Dr. Sengkon haba ai jing kran hakani kasngi ulapan pau ya ka jing sngongu yaki khun jong uni urang ba kibala shim khia ban pendep yaki kam kibasa jong uni urang ba kabalong ka jing mento ya ka imlang sa lang jongi hi laban kedau bau Dr. Hamar Babiang Karluki ulapan mi ya bun ki jing Thoh kibaya day bat ki jing long jing man jong ka imlang sa lang kiba kham kong san ki long ka jing Thoh ya ka khana shapang i merat nabon sawian ipade ikan thai khasi baning kong bandong kristan hakani ka ri khasi jongi but yakani ka khana la shim da ka jing seng Samla KGP sinot sepngi banshna no kum ka phlim ka balai kerteng nabon a journey of faith shu ka jing Thoh ka jong u shapang ka snong maulai la penmi ru ha ka dur jong ka documentary film da ka documentation committee maulai bat kum juru dang haus nam baladap ki khon jong uru ki la penmi ya ka jing ruai ka jing shat ulai podo ka balashna ha ka dur jong ka animation
so thuru ba kani ka music video kam da dei tan da benta barang in paring for commercialization. Kali ka music video mas mau kat bangan action, patut kalau ia kali ka invitation, bangan one share kali ka program. Ngalapun kerja keren bagi elma, ngalap pasal jemput si ini kat tu kat dia ke pengalaman leh. Kalau kan sekarang ke biar keren, mau elma dan sebelum, namar ikut kerja menerima. Kejat menriu ke betik riu terbaik. Kejat menriu ke bengi sesyara yaki mai kiriu kera. Kibla not senyang shibun, aki pun kibentai. Agilai aki emang kesana. Kabalong sisa kajing kaku kajing mentoi. Ndai tanyi mentan rei ka pateng dewan wan. Tikum tu warba ayo ka invitation pan long kum tau kongsan ban play ka music video ko Lapalang but nasutu pagani saman shaki katto kani ki school ki colleges tehbo kabini kani namar kani ka music video ko Lapalang school kabadon ka jimbut kabajali kabadon ka jing mantoy shibun itani ki kajat kani Ray Yebon ki way part keeper and same ki bakodo. I would like to begin by congratulating everyone involved in this remarkable production led by Elmer War. Your work does more than entertain. Your work, like I said, it does more than entertain. What it does is that it preserves and it revives an important part of our Khasi cultural heritage. Lapalang, as many of us know, is more than just a name from a folktale. It is a story deeply embedded in our collective memory, one that reflects our values, our worldview, and our connection to nature and spirit. Through generations, our folk tales have served as both moral compass and cultural archive, carrying the wisdom of our ancestors in oral form. Today, by transforming this story into a music video, the creative team, again led by Elmer and his team, has given a new life to our past and shown us a new way